An antenna is a device that transmits and receives electromagnetic waves such as radio waves, television signals, and cellular signals. It converts electrical energy into electromagnetic waves or vice versa. A magnetic field is formed around a wire when an electrical current flows through it. The magnetic field's strength and direction are determined by the frequency and amplitude of the current. In turn, the magnetic field generates an electromagnetic wave that travels through space. An antenna is a device that converts electrical energy into electromagnetic waves or vice versa. An electrical current flows through a transmitting antenna, creating a magnetic field and an electromagnetic wave that radiates into space. The electromagnetic waves creates a current in the antenna that can be detected and amplified by the receiver in a receiving antenna. The important parameters of an antenna such as gain, directionality, polarization, and bandwidth are determined by its shape and size. Depending on the frequency and direction of the signal, the distance between the transmitter and receiver, and other factors, different types of antennas are used for different applications. Dipole antennas, loop antennas, patch antennas, and parabolic reflector antennas are all common type of antennas.